I'm here to interview Tamas Slezak of MOVEO in the hope that he'll let me have a free one of his sports cars, which are over there. I don't think I'm going to succeed, but actually, jokes aside, this is a very exciting company involved in a whole range of electric vehicles, and I want to hear the story. So please tell us what is unique about them and what is your plan for rolling out your business?
Yes. So we have developed a foldable electric scooter, which has the name MOVEO.
Yes.
And it is made from carbon composite lightweight body.
Yes, yes.
And
it's foldable, as you say, which is very unusual. You said that in your talk that I heard. Yes.
That's right. So it's a full-size moped. It's a full-size motorcycle, which has the additional value to be foldable. So when you need, you can put in the trunk of your car, or you can put in a yacht or a motorhome. That's.
But you said in your talk. You said yes, please. You said in your talk that you don't think people fold it often. So it's a secondary benefit, but you have designed now a full-scale, proper scooter.
Should I drive it?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, run over a few things. That's incredible.
It's very light.
So carbon fibre and folding and all that sounds expensive. Is it top of the market as a product in pricing?
I think no. It's about 3,000 euros. So
well,
it's not
high.
Not much higher than normal scooters.
That's remarkable.
But
and the cluster there that you have, is that looks very elegant design.
Yes,
Can you tell us about it?
Yes, it's all. This is our proper design, and my colleagues like this rounded shape, and we call it organic design.
Yes, absolutely. I like it. I think it's excellent. Where is this made?
It is made in Hungary. So we had a team of more
and
than...
you, of course, are Hungarian.
Yes. We had a team of more than 10 engineers, electrical and mechanical engineers. So the design is totally new. And this side can be folded. Maybe the folding I would show on the red one. So you have to take it up. So that's the folding. What do you have here?
Wonderful. Very neat.
And we can put this side
in for storage. Yes. Yeah.
Store.
Yeah.
1 minute about.
How neat, nice one. Really elegant engineering. Hungary Space for absolutely wonderful.
This is just pull out.
It comes in a variety of colours, I guess. Does it? Really, yes, it is. Obviously, you have white and red here.
It's not the main
And in this way, it's half the weight. It's half size of to store on your.
Excellent. Yes. Have you actually sold any?
No,
Too early.
Just the prototypes.
Have it here for the first time. That's wonderful.
And we are looking for investors to begin production.
Absolutely. So when you get the investors, I'm sure you will, with a product as superb as that, you would dream of selling 100 a year, 1,000 a year. What magnitude, roughly? I mean,
So we are looking for an investment of 2.5 million euros,
Right.
which would be enough to produce 5,000 pieces per year.
Right, and the market would obviously stand that. I mean, Europe as a whole is
Yes.
taking
So that's for Europe.
two-wheelers. It's taking what, 1.5 million now, maybe. Okay, can we move on to this car, which you're not going to give me? I heard a little of your talk, but the people watching this video don't know what I heard, so I'd like to begin at the beginning.
Yes.
You've done some really exciting things because you've worked with, from my country, Protean with the in-wheel motors, which have built-in redundancy,
Yes.
don't they? They're really several motors in one motor, so they're a very clever product. And you're doing four-wheel drive, vectored steering?
Yes, that's a four-wheel drive, super lightweight, super sports car. And what you told about the in-wheel motors, they have a redundancy. So it actually two motors in one.
Yeah.
So if something breaks down,
Which is
it
brilliant.
functions more.
Brilliant. And this is, you see this as a platform, don't you? This isn't just one
Yes,
body.
that's a functioning platform. So the body is not yet ready. But the chassis, as you will see on the next slides, is ready and functioning. It has a range, pure electric range of 100 kilometers, and we will build in a range extender made from a
And you
one
said
cal
600,
engine.
I think 600 kilometres with the range extender.
Yes.
If you add the two together,
That would be the total
which
range.
is great. And so, what other innovation is there? Are the motor controllers different, or
The total electronic was made by ourselves. So we have both the in-wheel motors we have both, and also the battery. And the charger, but everything else is made by all our
of
engineers
course,
team.
the Protean motor has its own controller within it, doesn't
Yes.
it? Of course,
Yes, that's right.
But so you're doing other power electronics.
Here you can see the charger, and beneath is the
Yes.
battery, and in the back would be built the range extender.
And this is a plug-in vehicle.
This is a plug-in electric vehicle.
Because those are the ones that are selling really fast now, aren't they? There's in some countries the hybrids that do not plug in are dying, but the plug-in hybrids are selling. In some countries, they've gone up 80% in a year, haven't they? So you're following a very big wave there, the real demand.
Here you can see the range extender, and it's
And that's
air
unusual.
intake.
That's a Wankel engine.
That's a Wankel engine. Because
Normally,
it's small
Wankel
and
engines.
light.
Yes. Ah, right.
Small and light. It has some problems with the
hammer test. We don't see the hammer.
They used to have problems with efficiency and with sealing, but they're used in unmanned aerial vehicles, aren't they? And there are other versions that are being developed by other people that are advances on the basic Wankel. So there is a future path of development. Who makes that for you?
It's a German company, Eichsro.
Oxtron, yes, I know them. Yes, I see. Oh, that's interesting. So an advantage also would be there's much less noise, vibration and so on from a rotary device compared with a piston engine, and you can mount it in different positions more easily, can't you? A piston engine has to be upright usually.
That's right.
So it's much more versatile. But this is not a drop-in get-you-home range extender. This is a permanently fitted serious range extender, isn't it?
So that's why we call the car not a hybrid, because it's a range extended electric vehicle.
Absolutely.
Because it can work only electric, so there is no hybrid.
It's a series hybrid in that jargon, perhaps.
Yes.
Okay, that's wonderful. So, to a consumer, what do you think will be the most exciting, unique when they buy it? Do you think the people you're going to sell to are going to be techies, nerds who will know about things like in-wheel motors, or is it going to be more a case of they want the particular range or something?
So it will be it's a super car, super sports car, which could be manufactured in very small series, so maybe 10, 20 or 30 pieces. So it would be, every car would be personalized,
Yeah.
And there is no other supercar which is range extended electric. So there are supercars made hybrid, which has big motors, big engines.
3 usually, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Huge engines with
Yeah.
huge
But
power.
this-
But
that's-
there is no supercar which is electric and with a small range extender.
Yeah.
And because we have this range extender, if we put in a bigger gasoline tank, now it's only 600 kilometers range. But if we put in a little bit bigger gasoline tank, it can be 1,000 kilometer range. And I think there are no other sports cars, electric sports cars that would have so long range. So I think that's a point.
Maybe the nearest is the BMW i8, which is also a 2-seater and also a series hybrid, and it's a piston engine. It's a three-cylinder piston engine, but it has a somewhat similar specification, does it?
Yes, but the acceleration of BMW E8 is maybe above 5 seconds.
Yes.
So
And yours?
even the Tesla has better acceleration than the BMW
And what is your acceleration?
3.2.
I see.
It's 1,000 Newton meter per
Yeah.
wheel.
Yeah. And with vectored steering and four-wheel drive, it will have incredible
It's totally other.
handling,
Yeah.
even
It has-
off-road, on snow, ice. Great. Okay. Well, I'm sorry I didn't persuade you to let me have one, because I know you're going to be very successful. You're brilliant. No, I don't want to pay.
I think if you find for us investor
Okay.
for producing
No,
that in
that's
small
wonderful.
cities, then the first
There we
car-
are. There's a businessman all the way. That's wonderful. No, seriously, jokes aside,
But,
that's
it's not
wonderful.
a joke, right?
How much
I
money?
promise you.
How much money do you want to raise? By
so
the way,
we would raise 5.8 million
euros.
for this
That
super
sounds
car
sensible, doesn't
project,
it? Yeah,
and
that-
2.5 for the scooter.
On the basis of that, you will be selling products. Yes, yeah. Oh, good luck. I think it's wonderful to see the engineering around Europe, and it's not all in Germany. The European countries have superb complementary skills, and it's marvelous to see. Thank you very
Thank you.
much. Marvelous.